Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be plucking my wig that I have back here and installing it and taking you guys along that journey. I am going to bring you guys a little closer so you guys can see what I'm actually doing. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on that post notification so you can be notified every time that I upload a video. And let's just get right into the video. Okay guys, so right here I'm just gonna go ahead and start plucking the wig, even though it came pre-plucked. I just wanted to pluck a few areas that I felt as though was too thick, and I just wanted my wig to lay as flat as possible. Okay guys, and the company that I ordered from is Asteria Hair. This is what the packaging looks like when it came to me. And inside it had the wig, and it had a little like satin like scarf that just says Asteria Hair, an elastic band, some information about the wig and how I take care of it, and a wig cap, and a silk like satin bag to put the wig in, which I really thought was very nice. So I already have my hair braided. I'm going to go ahead and just take my bonnet.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
You set it off vibes. But I'm going to go ahead, since I am a very hairy child, I'm going to go ahead and just put some got to be on my edges. That way they can lay back. I'm using the black one. And I like to use my blow dryer to speed up the process and make the gel harden faster. Now that that's all laid back, I'm going to go ahead and take one of my wig caps. I got these wig caps from Amazon. It was like a pack of 12 for like $6, I think. But yeah, I got this to match my skin color, and I'm just going to put it on my head. So once that's on my head, I'm going to go ahead and start spraying my freeze spray. Y'all, this is the new Got To Be freeze spray, and let me tell y'all, this spray holds. It's really the truth. Y'all need to go and get y'all some. Target sells it, and y'all better get it now, because you know, once people start catching on to how good this hairspray is, the price will go up. But right now it's like, I think it's like $5 or $8 if I'm not mistaken, but I don't know. Go check it out. It's on Target's website. And once I get finished spraying my spray, I'm just going to cut the cap using my shears. And then I am going to apply some foundation to my hair, so that way, well, to the wig cap, so that way it can match my skin color. And you want to make sure when doing this that you don't leave a lot of cap like on your forehead, because you don't want that wig to sit all the way forward like that. That is not, it's not going to look natural. You want it to look as natural as possible. So try and cut the wig cap close, like as close to your hairline as possible, without cutting yourself. Do not cut yourselves. Okay, and now that I applied all my foundation, I'm just going to go ahead and put the wig on my head and just do a few like customizations while it's on my head just before I go ahead and glue it down, because I want my wig to lay as flat as possible. Guys, we don't want a lumpy wig. We really don't. And don't be alarmed by the amount of hair you see coming out of my wig brush. It's just the hair that I plucked. Okay, now I'm just going to define my part a little bit more, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut a little bit of this lace. once I've cut the lace to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and pull back the front part, the closure part, and I'm just going to secure it and glue it down with my Got2b gel. Once I dry this layer, I'm going to go ahead and add a second layer of gel to my skin so that it can securely hold down this wig. Once I pull the wig far enough up to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and take my rat tail comb and I'm just going to comb it back and allow the blow dryer to heat that section up so that it can melt the lace onto my skin. And once I feel like this wig is secured enough onto my head, I'm going to go ahead and take my elastic band and tie it around my head and allow that to sit on my head for about like 10 to 15 minutes. While I wait for that to dry, I'm going to go ahead and add some mousse to the top of this wig and use my hot comb to lay it down flat, and then I'm going to proceed to styling the wig. First, I'm going to straighten my hair, and then I just went ahead and decided to add some curls because I love curls. So I did that after I straightened the hair. The flat iron that I'm using is my Babyliss flat iron. It is the 1.5 inch barrel thing that I'm using. Like the width of the flat iron is 1.5 inches. I love this flat iron, y'all, because it makes my hair so silky and so straight, and I love it. When I used to get my natural hair straightened all the time, my hairstylist used to use the same exact flat iron, but I think it was just a 1 inch one. But this flat iron works wonders. If you have the money, I'd say invest. Okay, and once I get done the other side of my head, I'm going to come back. Okay, and here I'm going to take a little bit of my concealer and foundation mix and just go along the part to define it some more. Okay, and now it's time to take the elastic band off. I'm going to go ahead and start sectioning off the pieces of hair that I want to use as baby hairs. I'm going to use this technique that I found, well, that I saw by this guy. He's a hairstylist on YouTube. His channel name is Slay by Jordan, and I just love the way he installs wigs, sew-ins, does natural hair, period, like whatever. He just does a great job. But with his frontals and wigs and stuff like that, his closures and stuff, he does this trick where he like sections up whatever section he wants to use as baby hairs, and he braids it down, and then he hot combs the baby hairs that he wants to use, and then he plucks the area that he wants to use as baby hairs some more so that it can look as natural as possible, you know, so the baby hairs won't look so harsh and so dark. And I really love that. And then after, when he's done setting the baby hairs, he goes ahead and he adds a little bit of foundation or concealer or whatever, and then he goes ahead and he like just combs it out with the little edge brush. I'm going to be using a razor to cut my baby hairs just to give it a more natural look so it doesn't look so straight and clean cut with the scissors. And I'm going to take some mousse, and then I'm going to take my my edge brush, and I'm just going to style my edges. Once I'm done styling my edges, I'm going to take that same elastic band and tie it around my edges and set my edges in place for, I want to say maybe like 10 to 20 minutes, just until I'm done curling my hair and styling it the way I like. Here I'm going to be using my Conair flat iron to curl my hair. I just feel like it's easier to curl hair with a flat iron versus a barrel. I'm still trying to get the hang of using like a little curl wand or whatever. Okay guys, and I'll come back to you guys when I am finished doing my makeup. So I just wanted to come back and talk to y'all a little bit about the specs of this hair. This is a 6x6 inch closure wig. This is a straight wig. It already came pre-plucked. I did not bleach the knots. I just went ahead and I just applied foundation to the part and the cap. I did my baby hairs, and I had them sitting down with some mousse, but I like combed them out so they could be, you know, loose and flowy and not stuck to my head and so structured. But this is the finished product. I put some curls in it, and yeah. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. It's my very first time ever getting a wig and constructing it to my liking. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified each and every time that I post or upload a new video. See you guys later.